Hi boys and girls, welcome to Science. This week in Science we're talking about basic needs of living things. And today we're going to talk about air. Air is definitely a basic need. So let's go ahead and read. This book is called Discover Air by Julia Vogel, illustrated by Jane Yamada. Air all around. Breathe it, blow it, fan it, feel it in your hair. Air is all around. It is a gas. Do you like to blow the seeds off dandelions? Moving air is wind. Wind pushes clouds across the sky. Wind rattles leaves. Wind makes clouds move. It makes ocean waves. Wind sweeps down mountains and across deserts. It flows around Earth. Wind makes waves too. Hot air, cold air. Heat changes air. It makes air take up more space. Warm air gets lighter and lighter. It rises higher in the sky. Hot air makes balloons float. Would you like to ride in a hot air balloon? People use heat to blow up huge balloons. See the illustration? They're using fire to heat up the air to make the balloon rise. Cold air takes up less space. It gets heavier and sinks. When warm air floats up, colder air rushes in below it. That rush is the wind. Warm air rises. Cool air sinks. Moving air makes wind. The strongest winds are swirling tornadoes. Roaring hurricanes also bring powerful winds. Tornadoes can blow down houses. Hurricanes can rip apart towns. Or a tornado looks like a cloud with a cone shape hanging down. Sometimes air is still. Leaves do not rustle. Flags hang limp. But air is always there. This lake is calm because there is no wind. Floating on air. Moving or still, air has the power to lift. Kites dance in gusty winds. Air lifts kites high into the sky. Do you like flying a kite? Look at a beam of light. Can you see tiny specks floating in the light? Air carries many small things wherever it goes. Seeds, dust, and smoke float with the air. Choo! Air makes dust dance in light. Air also carries smells. Bits of food or pollution float through the air to your nose. Cars give off pollution that smells bad. You might smell warm cookies. Or yuck! Here comes the garbage truck. The kitchen brings wonderful smells. All right, boys and girls. Thank you for reading with me today.